Here's a Lasko made by Sanyo, 48-inch ceiling fan that I picked up at Fanimation last week. I got this from a fellow fan collector, Brian A. Peterson. Always wanted one of these ever since I discovered that they made them in tassel. Excuse me, stencil, jeez. They've also made these in cane as well, but the cane is a lot more harder to find. But I have another one of these, but it's a 52-inch model and just plain white. But anyway, we'll start up on low. Forgot. Okay, there's low. It's a really good air mover. I mean, it throws out a nice breeze on low speed. It's got a just above average low speed, I think anyway. Not very aesthetic, but more of like a... It's above average low speed, but just a below average medium. And then now we'll go to medium. And it goes low, medium, high, just like a Casablanca. Now this is like a high speed for most newer junk fans. Yeah, it's cranking some wind out right now. And a little high. That is an actual brass bottom plate, or brass face plate. I only knew it was brass because the 52-inch model uses just a slightly different design, and it's obviously bigger. But on the back side, it was corroded all the hell, and so I ended up polishing it, and it ended up turning into like a polished brass instead of like an antique finish. I even do the same thing to the blade arms or badges, but not on this one. I don't know if I will on this one yet or not. I might just leave it alone. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.